We're going to do a brief video on Seagate, STX, Seagate Stock, STX Stock update. We've got a daily chart here for you of Seagate Technology Holdings, and we've got a blue 200-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a green 5-day moving average. And Seagate's down today almost 7%, 6.5%, down $3.75, trading at $54.26 right this second. Volume's 5.6 million shares versus an average daily volume of 2.2 million shares. So there's a lot of people trading Seagate today. Let's take a quick look at it. I have three different charts, an hourly, a daily, and a weekly to show you, and we'll take a quick look. You can see Seagate's been in a bear market ever since roughly March of 2022, and it's really in a bear market, continuing to be in a bear market. But we put in a short-term bottom here October 14th at about $49.62. The market put in a little, you could call it, I wouldn't call it a short covering rally. Some people would call it that, but it's a little looked like an attempt to make a bottom out of October 14th, and then it failed. So we had people covering some shorts. We had some people who were waiting for the stock to get up to roughly the $57, $58 level, and then they just broke it in half this morning. So this is an indication of a lot of people underwater on this stock, a lot of people trying to get out of this stock without too much, losing too much money. And so the minute it rallies, you can see it rallied here, they gapped it down. It rallied here, they gapped it down. So this is a lot of people underwater here. They probably bought right here at this level, this $67 level right across through here, and they've been slammed. So that's basically, if you notice, this low right here, this July 5th low is 67.36. As soon as it got above that, they shorted it again. Excuse me, sold it, and then there also people came in and shorted it. So people who bought this low get out, people who buy these lows get out, and that's what's going on. So the stock's still definitely in a bear market. Let me show you a weekly chart. You can see it's broken through its 200-week moving average. It's below the 20-week moving average, and it's playing with the 5-day moving average. So this is a very negative chart for Seagate. I'm not negative. I'm just giving you my best analysis. Seagate's got a low here of $43.53. Its low here was $49. So $43 is our first reasonable support. Our major support is down here at $39.02. So it's got some way to go before it gets down there. It may catch some support down here at the $43 level. We'll have to see. But right now, Seagate's definitely in a bear market, and a really good one. Let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick. This is a 200-hour moving average in blue. You can see Seagate was below it all the way back from August 22. That's a really long time to be below the 200-day moving average. It shows extreme negativity on the stock. It put in that same low here that we talked about earlier on the 14th of October, came up and got above the 200-hour moving average, which is not a very difficult thing to do, to be honest with you. Usually it's going to be above it, below it, above it, below it. You can see how it trades back and forth, and that's the way it usually does it. So no big deal getting above it, but as soon as it got above it, you can see they just destroyed it. They just sold the heck out of it as soon as it got up to this $58 range, 57, 58. They just sold the heck out of it. So back in bear market territory, even under, even on a hourly chart. So my prognosis for this stock is that it's very weak. Nobody is hugely enthusiastic about it, in my opinion. Still, obviously, a bear market stock, but this stock from a 200-day, we're back on the daily chart, from a 200-day moving average now, this stock is oversold. And so it wouldn't surprise me if we got support here and rallied up to approximately the $63 level. Now, I know that sounds pretty optimistic, but you can see right here, when this stock gets oversold severely, they buy it. And so this stock, $67, went to $83. So whatever that is, 17 bucks. I'm trying to do it in my head. This stock is easily good for a $15 rally, which would put us 50, 65-ish. Let me see where that is. 65 is a reasonable target for this stock, 63, 65, to correct the oversold condition. I'm not predicting anything. It's all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but this stock is oversold, and it wouldn't surprise me if we got a rally into the low 60s. If we do not get support when we attack this low price of $49.62 made on October 14th, then this stock's going to sell off hard. But I think we're going to get a rally first, probably in the low 60s, to correct the oversold condition. That's my best guess going into it right now. RBM Research does not cover this stock, but it does put out algorithmically generated entry prices for 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. These are out for today, 1, 5, and 20 trading day holding periods. You can see there's a lot of zeros in here today, like there was yesterday. The algorithm's saying today's not a great day to buy stocks, and it's been right on some and not correct yet on some other ones. It's hard to say. We do not cover Seagate in our trend following either, but it's interesting to note that we have a flat S&P 500 recommendation today on a 30-year hold for the S&P 500 E-mini futures, which is an indication of the overall market. We're short here Tesla today as well, which is interesting. Tesla was up $230 last time I checked it. So you can get access to all of this every morning before 7 a.m. at rbmresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. It's free, no credit card required. Just head over there, follow the link to RBM Research, and put your email address in. Get immediate access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all available by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, everything that you've seen and heard on here, including the entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You should always do your own analysis. Can't use our information for anything but entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.